In this video, I walk you through how to blur a specific part of the image in Canva. Let's get started. The easiest way to blur an image is just select the image you want to blur and go ahead to click on Edit and then select Blur. You can choose either a brush or whole image, but in this case, I would choose this brush. However, the downside of this method is not the clear blur. So if you want to blur perfectly, this method is not encouraged like this because it's not perfectly blurred, and sometimes the edge of this blur effect is not perfect. And then in that case, I would use another method. So just duplicate the same image. So in this case, I would insert the same images here. And then select the crop tool here. And then crop the area you want to blur, like this. And then resize it to match the original size of the background image. And then select this, the cropped image, click on Edit, and select Blur. And this time, I would choose this whole image, and the intensity is here. So it blurs perfectly. But in this case, the blur effect is applied to the square shape. So if you want to change this blur to the circle one, you can use the third method. Go ahead to the element and select flame. Go down to the flame here. This one. And then select this circle frame and duplicate the image. And then insert this image into this frame and double click it. You can resize it up to as big as you want, like this. Make sure it fits the original size of this image, like this. And next, click on Edit and select Blur. And this time, I would choose whole image as well, and then increase the intensity. Yeah, it works perfect. Definitely give it a try. Thank you for watching.